Hi everyone, welcome to Smatbot product updates. Today we'll be unlocking a new feature called Instagram broadcasting, using which you can send single template messages or bulk template messages to your users on Instagram. Now, how does it work is we'll take you through the whole process, how to integrate your Instagram uh, business page to Smartbot, and you can just start sending the broadcast messages. So here we go. So now what you have to do is you have to just log into your account. In case if you don't have a Smartbot account, you can sign up using this just by clicking this link below. So what you need to do is just create a new bot. You can just put select the option of bot and you can pick from template. So here what we will be doing is we'll be just showing you a pre-developed bot and how the feature works. So just after creating the bot, you just need to go to this setup, and after going to setup, you just need to go to install. And after going to install, just click on the Instagram installation button. And here, as you can see, the page has already been added. So we'll just show you how you need to connect the page to Smartbot. So just click on connect with Instagram. You just have to enter the email ID and password of your Facebook account. As you can see, after entering the username and email ID and password, there will be a prompt appearing where it will show the Instagram page which is connected to your Facebook account, and you just need to save it here. Okay, now the setup is done. You don't need to create any flow here, but make sure that your Instagram business page is connected to the Facebook business page or the Facebook account. Now, what you need to do to send Instagram broadcasting is just come to this Instagram template messages. Okay, now the first step is to create a template for which you want to send to your customer. You can send two type of templates. One is with the image like a media template. One is just a text template. So here we'll demonstrate how to create just a text based template for you. And make sure when you are naming the template, all the characters are in lowercase. So enter the image URL. So this is this option is used to create a media based template. So currently we are demonstrating you the text based template, so we'll not be using this option. You can enter your text. Now you can also enter a subtitle text as well. As why there are two options is because for the first the main title there is a character limit of 80 characters, and here then the subtitle text also gives you to add additional 80 characters, and it is optional. It's not mandatory that you will have to add. Now, as you can see, there are two type of buttons which you can add to your message. One is the URL based button. This button will redirect the customer if you want them to be redirected to a third party website or an app or a Google Play Store app page. And there is a branch button. Now, what is branch button here? Branch button mostly helps users to create a flow. So what happens here is, suppose if you want the consumer to go through some steps to validate their queries and something, you can add this branch button here. So I'll just show you how to add the buttons. As you can see, when you click on URL button, this option will appear. Now you just in the label, you just have to type the text which you want to appear in the CTA, and this URL or the link, you just have to input the URL. As you can see in the preview, the button has been added. Similarly, you can add one more URL button, or you can add a branch button. You can just add no more. So when people click on this no more button, there will be a flow setup through which the customers can know more about the discount sale which is going on at your retail shop or on your website. Now you just need to save this template, and as you see, the template is saved. Now we'll just show you how to broadcast it to your consumers or users. So there are two ways you can send the templates. One is a single template option and one is a bulk template option. So now how to send the templates, we'll just show you the demonstration with a single template. Just select the single template option, select the template name and select whom you want to send it. And the template is sent. Now suppose you want to send a media based template. Like in the media, you can just upload an image file which is of maximum 5 MB. So we'll just show you how to do that. So this is the media has been uploaded, and each media will be assigned a URL. You can just copy this URL, go back to create template, and now click on the option of add template. Just paste the URL here, the image URL, and as you can see, the preview appears here of the image. Now the process remains same. You just have to add a URL button where you will be redirecting your customers to. So as you can see, the button has been added. Similarly, you can add a branch button as well. So the maximum number of buttons which you can add is total number of buttons you can add is 3. So the template has been created. Just need to go to send single templates again. Select the template, the name by which you have saved the template. Just send it, and it is done. So now, as this process, we have shown you how to set up your Instagram broadcasting and how to create a template and how to send the template messages to your consumers or users. Please let us know in case you have any suggestions regarding the features, or if you have any queries, you can mail us on info@smatbot.com. Thank you.